Okay, I changed my mind. Esters will be later. Right now we're doing ketones because they're actually pretty easy. Okay, so ketones happen when you have a carbon double bonded to an oxygen and then another carbon on both sides. Okay, so ugh. Okay, so let's name ketones. So what's this one going to be called? So let's number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we see that the carbonyl group is on the second carbon, and that's our ketone functional group. So if it were 5, this is going to be a pentane, if this were just an alkane chain. But it isn't. It's a ketone, so it's pentone. Um, and we have to distinguish this from other pentones by numbering it. So this is a 2-pentone. Okay, so it is just that easy, very easy. Um, so let's pull out another one here. So we have this, and we have this. And then, oh, okay, let's try this. Okay, so remember what a ketone is. It's a double bonded oxygen that has a carbon on both sides. So this one here has a carbon on this side and a carbon on this side. This one here has a carbon on this side and a carbon on this side. This one here has a carbon on this side, but not on this side. So this is not a ketone, this is an aldehyde. We'll get to that later. So let's get rid of that, and let's name this. Okay, you probably know how to do this already. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons in this chain. So this would be a pentone, but wait, there's 2 ketones. So this is a pentadione, but it's not just any pentadione. This is 2, 3 pentadione. Okay, so that's pretty clear, I think. Okay, so that's how you name ketones when they're dominant. When they're not, you have to name them a different way, which I will go over now. So bringing back our carboxylic acid, which is always dominant no matter what. I think I actually think aldehydes might be more dominant than carboxylic acids. But, no, I don't know. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Alright, so, again, wait, that's not a ketone. So there's a ketone. Okay, so, oh no, I messed up. Ha 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 ha. Okay, that's looking a little bit better. So, our ketone. Okay, so let's number this. Always start from the carbonyl. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons here. So this is going to be your hexanoic acid. But now there's this ketone off the third carbon. So it's going to be hexan 3-oic acid. But that sounds stupid, so we don't call it that. So, I mean, hexanoic acid, but you know how alcohols are dash all, and then they're hydroxy, whatever, when they're not dominant? Ketones are similar. They're own when they're dominant, however, when they're not, they're oxo, and then whatever. So this is going to be 3-oxo hexanoic acid. If you had 2, it'd be di, 3 tri, 4 tetra, and so on and so on. And that's pretty much all you need to know to name ketones. My next video will be on probably esters. No, wait, aldehydes first. Aldehydes first.